one whose glory is made of fire. To the God whose voice is like a thunder. Jesus. Oh, you took away the pains. Intentional. You took away the sorrows, Baba. You took away the fears. Intentional. Unstoppable. I lift my hands forever. Intentional. You turn my life around, Baba. Intentional. I'll sing for you forever. Intentional. Intentional. Unstoppable. To the one who took away my shame. The one whose glory is made of fire. To the God whose voice is like a thunder. Jesus. The God who took away my shame. The one whose glory is made of fire. To the God whose voice is like a thunder. Jesus. I'll give you all the glory. I'll give you all the worship, Baba. I'll give you all the praise. Unstoppable. To the God who took away my shame. One whose glory is made of fire. God whose voice is like a thunder. Jesus. The God who took away my shame. The one whose glory is made of fire. To the God whose voice is like a thunder. Jesus. Lift your voice and say, oh, we worship, we love. Love was take intentional. Yes, adult people, I'm going to declare today World Realization Day. This is the first day I am relaxing. What you say? I just woke up. I said, I am not going anywhere today. I am not going to do anything strong today. In fact, I have cancelled my 1 p.m. broadcast. I'm supposed to be talking about Dion Osagie, Collins Imudia, Commissioner for Women Affairs, and other people that are into fraudulent charity organizations in Edo State. I've cancelled the 1 p.m. broadcast. I've declared today World Relaxation Day. The last time I relaxed like this, the last time I chilled like this, just relax. I've not been picking much calls since morning, except emergency calls. It was in 2016 before I came to Nigeria. The last 4 years has been terrifying. The last 4 years has been stressful for me. The last 4 years has been. Now war, I don't know about you. Now war I go. I don't know about you. Now war I go. War. After the governor's victory in 2016, we started tribunal fight. Post-election fight. Post-election fight, tribunal appeal Supreme. After Supreme, then the national chairman position started campaigning for Shomole. After the campaign, Shomole won. We also needed to sustain our social media activities. From there, Shomole started his wala. I engaged him. We engaged him before other people joined. People who come later join us, they were the people that were telling us, how bad, how can you, who are you to be insulting Oshomole? Who are you to be mentioning Oshomole's name? I no shake. Before they come join the fight, some joined a year ago, some joined a month ago, some joined 6 months ago, some joined 2 years ago. It's been fight. Even when some people will come, they'll say, come, God will not say this is what we do. If Oshomole arrest you, nobody will send you. I saw that there would be a strong fight ahead, and I started on time. I mean, give many people mind. I'm not going to mention name. I mean, give many people mind to fight this fight. So today, I have decided to relax. As in, the fight was tight, was strong to the extent that as my wife taking, myself and my wife, then we still there Mama Bele, we're moving from, sometimes we move from hotels to hotels. Oshomole and his evil gang, they tortured my son right from the womb. Then they tortured my son when they tortured him. Sometimes midnight, I would get strange calls. My wife was, there was even a day, my wife was 7 months pregnant. I got a call. Somebody come and say, how about where you day? I said, at day house. I said, no sleepers this night. Said, no sleepers. So they come out. I said, baby, please, dress up. Let's go. We're moving. There was even a day, they find me come country home, where they go exercise. That was the day I stopped going to country home. Shomole tortured my son. The guy was inside the womb. He was moving with us. 2 days before my wife's delivery, we can't get caught, say they don't petition us. No, Andrew Modu was arrested. As they were going through, they were trying to bail Andrew Modu. No, a week, was it a week? No, or 4 or 5 days before my wife's delivery. As they were trying to bail Andrew Modu as Stacey IDF from the forces Oshomole sent from Abuja. They now discovered that my name was number 2. Was it number 2? I mean, number 6 on the list. They just put other people's name. They were interested in me. How do we pull Albert out of that street, out of the street of Edo? Albert is disturbing. How am I disturbing? You talk your own, I talk my own. Mayaki talk your own, me talk my own. And so the deputy governor said he has already told them that he was coming with us. We agreed. Even though I knew that they were interested in me, detaining me in Abuja, I dressed up that money. Yeah, how are you? Yes, how are you? Yes, I hear you. No wahala. So I said, okay, that money we were supposed to go to Abuja. I already carry bag, carry my clothes. My wife said, don't worry, go, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. Because at that money, my wife already gets, what do they call, whether a contraction or the traction, I don't know. So the day before, I thought it was just normal checkup. That time when Romigo was running his mouth to Abatini, ti Mekono, Agano, I don't know, my wife already reached 9 months. So the day before, we took her to the hospital. I thought it was just normal checkup. I don't know if my wife was born. So from that hospital, now from hotel, I was not even safe in most GRA's hotel. There was even a time I was sleeping outside GRA. Midnight, I got off my phone because they were even tracking my line. They know my location. I see things, so I see things. Fear not. I don't even not be safe here. I only talk many. Make I don't go to put fear for people mind. Because many people were listening to me and they were supporting the cause. So if I show any sign of fear or say that they threaten me, other people go run. They don't go. Then they go run for the fight. So I think even in my group, there were some threat calls when they tell my boys, "Please don't go to fear too." I see things. They were chasing me with police, chasing me with talks, chasing me as in Ofi or cash about. So then I go park my car, I go to use keke. I use taxi. So I told her, I said, I said, no, go. I said, no. That money. As I did go airport, Mama said, come. Are you okay? You don't say your wife don't enter late. Now labor your wife there, so you they go answer wish miserable petition. You join people we go Shomole house. You know people we go Shomole house. I said no. Why are you going there? I up tough for. I said no. So I read them. I told my wife I'm not going. I said I'm not going. I said no, go now. I said no, I'm not going. So when my friends were calling me, they got the airport already. They all buy my tickets. Who want to go this thing? I said I'm not going. I don't go say my wife they borrow. The rest is history. So thank God. The next day, my wife gave birth to my son, my precious son. Oh well. So even as they're born, when already they used to this Oshomole Obaseki fight. Your children rears from the womb. That's why if you deceive yourself, say your pikin never grow, you know they teach them, you start talking to them from the womb. As they grow, not also they never get sense. And from the womb, children they learn. And from the womb they hear. That's why if they come sometimes your wife get belle. The baby, once the baby hear your voice, they kick the mom. So when they already know, say, these guys, they fight the system. And the boy knows that I was fighting for Edo. I was not fighting for Obaseki. So after the whole thing, we'd already born. That very morning, I know many police there where my wife was born. They not call attack us. So where do we go? Maybe we still carry baby go hotel or my mother-in-law side or where? We can't choose, okay. Maybe I go the mother-in-law side. When I get house, I guess everybody's supposed to come my house, come greet my son, come greet us. Maybe that period my wife will even make money. Because I don't two mama, I don't two your mama, I must always go to your mama. I go hide them. While we continue the fight. I didn't want anything that would disrupt me, that would disturb me, that would distract me. I go put them there. Most people will call me out. They want a man or two. I don't agree. Because I don't want to be on a big bow. I don't agree. That night, my wife had some complication. My wife labored for 24 hours. Because I did labor for almost 24 hours. And God has saved my family. After almost 7 days, I said, "You're not with naming ceremony." You're not with naming ceremony. May I do naming ceremony for my mother-in-law side? No. May I do it for hotel? If I go to Amagba, I can't guarantee the security of other people. Because the Oshomole was still national chairman. The power Oshomole was abusing his office. I said, "Maybe we not come there and say naming ceremony. I don't arrest him." Because even in Abuja, it was clear that they were only interested in Abatobaze. Just to go shocking me. Because they tried to hack my platform. Don't let them hack. Please share this broadcast too. Just click the share button. Click the share button. And they relax today. In our freestyle broadcast today. Please share this broadcast. Invite your friends. I said, no naming ceremony. That was why I knew there would not be naming ceremony. That's why I named my son the day. As I see my son, I named my own way. Osawana me Albert Opaze. Osaweme. Because with the stress that time, if not God, maybe God forbid, my wife will get miscarriage. Because we're always moving stress everywhere. That very day, I named my son. Or you say, "No, yeah, whatever. I will name it. I'm willing to even you will name it ceremony." So they struggle. I can't manage to do baby dedication. Those that follow me go there, they know how many police follow me go there. And some of my friends, some other private security. Since then, it's been fight, struggle. I never deal with my son for straight 2 hours. Say that here I deal with no. Either I'm pressing my phone, or I'm responding to one propaganda from Mayaki, or I did road, or I never all day say we relax. So not be small thing. This victory, I dedicate this victory to my son, Owen. Sawoname, Albert Opaze. I get you, are a strong boy. You're a good boy. There was a day, one morning, as I want to come out, I go open door. I told him, I said, Owen, you are part of this fight. Together, we are going to win this battle. Allow me go. Now I jam the door. Can't cry on my cockara. Small boy. My boy started walking 8 months, 2 weeks. 8 months, 2 weeks. Now when this out the waka. Me, I waka 9 months. That will tell you that when we do greater things than me, the father. 8 months. I told him, I said, come, if you know waka, you know do better. No 1 year better. I was threatening him. I said, me, your father, 9 months, let me take waka. Saying, my boy formed my hand. Waka exactly 8 months, 2 weeks. Now when he's running, they run up and down now. Sharp boy, smart boy. So my people, stand for what you believe in, not for money. If I was looking for money, and that billionaire house, I would go collect money. Stand for what you believe in. I dedicate this victory to my son, Onwe. Never easy for us since. So in the morning, I will wake up at 4 o'clock. Next, I have to pick my phone. My wife will hold me. Hey, go sleep. For the past year, I never sleep for straight 5 hours. How? Either I sleep around 11, wake up 2 o'clock. Something will just make me wake up. So that bad dream will make me wake up. Not be people when they dream or they call me. How about 1 minute? La afeko. I don't try. I don't allow all those things weigh me down. We fought. And I don't want to appreciate Edo people. See, let me tell you, all these politicians, make una just suffer. Make una just deal. Make una just deal. Edo people, now vote for Obaseki. No politician should take credit. Mobilized by those in diaspora. Edo people, the real mobilizers now those in diaspora. Not the politicians win this election for governor. Not the politicians deliver Obaseki. Those mobilized by those in diaspora. How did we get those in diaspora to key into this project? May I tell you now? Was when I launched attack, social media onslaught on Tiono Saiki. Now there, it took me more than 1 year. It took me more than 1 year to get those in diaspora to know that this boy is a scam. And that time, Dio was so smart that Dio already captured. He already fraudulently captured the hearts of those in diaspora. And it was for a political reason. Aside his personal gain, aside him trying to use it to make money, it was also for his political gain. Political gain. I said, with the way this boy is going, scamming people, traveling, they even had to name him the Omyoma found of Edo in diaspora. I said, if I don't stop this boy, very soon, those in diaspora will start asking Governor Obaseki to leave office. Because he was using his platform to misinform the people. Yeah, those in diaspora, they were calling me political jobber. Why they were calling him their savior, their Omyoma. I said, no, this is not correct. Make I correct this thing before things get out of hand. So I started the attack. That if I do video against Dio Saiki, 100, maybe 1,000, maybe 5,000 comments, I will only get like 200 positive from my side. The rest is shut up, jealousy, shut up, jealousy. They go insult. There was a time they brought out my mother's picture. They put their mother's picture, not my mother's picture. They brought out their mother's picture. They go put RIP. So people go do video. All this, there was even this social media native doctor. Oh, they want to say good luck. This social media he just go Shirai. They swear for his head. He just go Shirai. People go they send me the videos. They say, I said, like, never. Calm down. This guy is a criminal and he must be reduced to nonsense. Over time, with my consistency, and the ones who get sense come and listen to me. And what type of matter? Started exposing him, exposing me. And what about it? Share this broadcast though. And we'll do first half. We'll play music first. Because I'm relaxing. Let's go on break. 1 minute break. Let's go for break.
The one whose throne is made of fire.
Yes, we are back. Please share this broadcast. If you are my true fan and you have been following me, make sure you click the share. So, a lot of people did a lot of things. About people, they do video, women, audio. Yana zero I want to appreciate my brothers, my siblings, my brothers, my talk back feet, my crack team members. Some will come and say, if I will rest for this day on Matthew, I say, lie. If you repeat it. But none of my brothers advised me to back out. Even though they were scared, the threats, this thing. So I can even arrest me two times. I'm not arrested. But it caused me to do petition to see arrested. I'm not arrested. My eyes were on the ball. My eyes were on the ball. All my goal, all I wanted was to stop him from stealing from our people in the diaspora. To get the people to understand that Obaseki means well. I followed, I fight. After like 7 months, people now started seeing reasons with me. The insults can't drop. Criticism can't drop. Before many other people can't join me, they fight her. I didn't call any social media influencer, all these people doing saga to say, join me, make a fight. Maybe we gotta fight. I didn't call. And when I noticed he don't drop, and even as I was fighting him, I was fighting Osaigi in my platform, I was also showcasing what the governor is doing. I was also telling people, Obaseki, before you know, a lot of Edos in diaspora now started having interest in governance in Edo State. Now started asking questions. Now started doing research. Obaseki, now started calling their people. So came to Nigeria say, if I reach Nigeria, I go see what's the Abba say, Obaseki. And once they call and say, they will not go back, they not stop listening to Zion. Even as we do, so we still get Mugus or we still follow them. Some Mugus still follow and go POI side, but there are very few. That was how we were able to get Edos to start having interest in Edo State politics. Not start having interest. Every time about the life, we born out in Talo. I not be talkative for those who they close to me. I not be talkative. Ask people who don't meet me one-on-one. I not be talkative. I be very gentle boy. But I'm a man of integrity. I'm a man of integrity. I be very gentle person. I know they do, but I only hurt people. And I get very big heart for forgiveness. If you are genuine, I get big heart for forgiveness. The reason why I didn't forgive Osaige all through was because he was still scamming people. All the party Osaige did, no one will not invite me. I refused to attend. Because you can't be telling me to, you can't parley me when you are still scamming people with your platform. It's not possible. I can't. This Collins Moody, I don't try to be my friend. I don't want to be close to, I don't want it to be my friend. Because that one just copied A to Z of what Osaige is doing, and he's doing the same thing. My last fight, I'm going to clamp down on all the fake charity, organization in Edo State. They are going to pack out. They are going to run their fraudulent foundation for other states, not here. They are diverting attention. They are taking attention away from the real people to themselves. Give me, make I give this person. Give me, make I help. In fact, make I talk. I will talk to the colleague because I the verse like this. I know the verse already. That's how we're able. So no politician will come today and say, you see, most of the politicians, they are all boasting today now. I want my unit. I want my word. I want my... They never ask themselves, say, how? First time in the history of Edo that Edo's all over the world carry head face one side. How? I was hated. I said the struggle started with Dion. And then the fight started. I knew that Obaseki and Oshomole would fight. I needed the Edos to stand by their own. The only person where they take their attention away from governance, from people having interest in what Obaseki is doing, was Dion. I went after him. And Ramigo was second. Ramigo was just a noise maker. Ramigo was a comedian. People go to the Ramigo platform to get entertained. Dion's strategy was bad. Dion be like people where summon people, where gather people to say, how do we hold Edo State? If not for the what I do, somebody like governor for God Dion has go seek for endorsement. Dion would have been too rich, too influential, too powerful. He wanted to make himself like Nnamdi Kanu. But he was selfish, and God gave me the strength to stop him. So, politicians, I appreciate you all. That's why our next line of campaign now is going to be different. See, I'm about to start raking fresh enemies. I'm about to start raking very fresh enemies. Very soon people will meet God and say, I think it's time we grind Abbott. It's becoming too powerful. The boy is destroying something else because I am coming after the bad politicians with my social media platform. Power has returned to the people, and the people must hold this power. See, those in the diaspora, I say the fight don't finish. People are joking. This is just the beginning. We just finished first phase. It's time for us to go back to our drawing board and say this power is already with the people. How do we sustain it and replicate it in other states? That should be what you should be asking yourself. Should we not collect them? You say they don't collect the power back. They would like to collect them back. How do we sustain it? How do we hold it? How this power how do we convert this power that we already have now to visible development? How do we get the government now to be fully accountable? How do we start using this power that we have to checkmate the system? To know the areas, the arm, the sectors are not really working, to know the commissioners that are not working, to know that are not doing well. This is the time for us to use the power that we already retrieved from Oshomole, Tinubu, and Ezeyamu to attract development, to ensure that public officers are accountable. We don't already hold the power. The leader of this, all the leaders now is the governor. How do we ensure that politicians don't come back to hijack this power? Many people won their unit. They are not happy that they won their unit. And that election, some people were still leaving our side, PDP to hold meetings in Ezeyamu. But when they saw the massive turnout of people, they're shocked. They don't get choice to win their unit. And everybody now they celebrate. Have you ever seen in an election where everybody win? And those in diaspora now mobilize the votes. And I was instrumental. God used me to get people to have interest in your state, in the governance activities of your state. Please, we need to consolidate. We could go sit down. The likes of Denko needs to be cleared of our political space. But I'm mindful. The likes of Patrick Were needs to be cleared of our political space. The likes of Okabe. People are talking about forgiveness. You want us to forgive tomorrow? Now they'll call red no meeting. Okabe go sit down for front seat. Is that the kind of forgiveness? Now, the forgiveness with that. What tell us say the fight don't finish? What tell us say the fight don't finish? Or you want us to forgive tomorrow? Now Kabaka will still committee of youth, saying a youth leader, in a youth mobilizer. Someone also will go look for the little money now when they make from the Edo billionaire. Make they go open semester or look for or buy instrument make it start to play music. Na amwe since akobe for ale na yimu akobe biku ni ma amwe kabaka biku. Please, are you saying we should forgive tomorrow na 40 go come meeting for via people will still attend? Is that the kind of forgiveness? We already have this power. Let's hold this power. We need a system that a classroom teacher will come and say, he want to be council chairman. He want to serve people. No, to say not get money. Now why no want to run for election? We have people with big hearts, with the heart to help, with the heart to transform their local government, their community, their state. They don't. Election is now fucking expensive in Nigeria. With the power, with the sanity that we have restored, please let us use this platform to make sure. Let's use our voice that we have to make sure that somebody will get big heart who don't know say so lecturer about this so school never collect blocking. We'll go look for her. We'll go look for us, sir. We have profiled you. You are a man of integrity. We want you to roll for House of Rep. They say, where am I going to get money? We'll say, hey, we'll mobilize the money and the people for you. If anybody tries to intimidate you with money, the person will also pay your voters' transport the way Captain Osa paid for Obaseki's voters. Now, Captain Osa didn't give the transport so they go home. He thought his money was going to buy vote for Izeyamo. But you don't say that transport fare won't pay for people who can vote for Obaseki. Please, it's time that you identify people, somebody in your community and say, man, now I see no on ara yoba or we will look for the person, we will identify the person. In every local government, the next set of council chairmen now, they are going to be men of integrity. That before council chairman sign 1 million naira, say what a work, you will not say the people I did this money. See, they are going to checkmate politicians in this next phase. Funati say, I never understand. We are going to discipline them. Some of them will not be all. So we believe say, Obaseki don't win. It's time for them to start making money. We will see. Obaseki don't win. It's time for them to start doing contract. We will see. Say, may they do that contract. May they give that contract. May you do the rubbish job. You go wait for us. All we need to do is to go look for people. Say, who do this job? Hey, if you have to go, you go not say if you do bad job here, you wait anywhere for Europe, they go tear your shirt as a contractor. Say you be contractor, you still government money, you enter Europe, say so person will release your details. So person don't see for don't do so. As they enter Europe or Lagos, Abuja, anywhere you put your leg, as people they see them, they beat you. What did I do? A query about testing microphone compared to waiting and those in diaspora go do our politicians. We already have this power. Make we not go sleep. Because if you sleep now, if you go do your hand, once you sleep now, your hand come open like this, they'll collect power back. And if they use mistake, collect it back. You go hard us. So please, today, I thought I want to go anywhere. I don't know anything if to come up. People will pass me if you come in away, why you Larry? But I've been dodging calls since. So I noticed I not follow governor, go collect certificates. I said today I'm not leaving this house. I not follow governor, go collect returns. Now you know, chauffeur, you know. When we were doing this work, I told the governor, I said, we are very few that are with you now. Once you win, you know, now back we go there, you know, if you don't even see your cost, everybody will call front. Hey, that day we go there from us, they celebrate. Somebody see me. I come with them, they celebrate, I see me wrong. I don't want to mention your name. He not work against us. I don't know whether he work against us secretly. Openly, not work against us. He not support us openly. As I just can see for us, David, they raise hand. Yeah, we don't win. As our jam Euro. For us, I say, which win? You join us win. Now we don't win. Now people many now we don't win. No. People like us now back will go because cycle fan they always run go front. Hey, Your Excellency, we don't win. But we don't any position where they push us to, we don't they know where they push us to, we don't get relevance. Because me, the people that me deal with, and the people they protect me, the people now they my back. So please, my people, by the grace of God, my son will be a year by next month. I'm going to celebrate him. I'm going to celebrate him. The last time I was driving, I asked myself, yeah, since we born this boy, I never drive go mall, supermarket, man just buy something for him. When we were growing up, my papa they come from outside, he go buy us something. But since the boy grow, though they talk small. If me at house, either I carry campaign shirt, or I carry apron, or I carry this thing, or I press phone, or I receive call enter. I've never bought this. I just drive go buy something. But by the grace of God, I'll start doing that now. Now we don't get small piece. At least. We don't defeat the Godfather. We don't bury them. Maybe we see whether anyone will. Now we are going to start looking for Godfathers across the 10 local government. They did different local government too. They did different ward. They did different units. They are everywhere. We are going to look for them, identify them. We will reduce them. So the real people will now start coming out and running for elective position. Let's reduce the spending politics. The money, see, Oshomole brought money politics to Edo that you must be a billionaire to win election. You must have a billionaire when they are back to win election. We need to correct it. By next month, my son will be 1 year. And by grace of God, I'm going to celebrate him. I'm going to celebrate him. It's going to be big. So Edo in the diaspora, I start the back ticket. Now must attend on 1 year birthday. Una must attend on 1 year birthday. Make una go to find a ticket. Now attend on 1 year birthday. But the boy never really gets this because of this fight. I told him, I said, we're going to win. And yesterday I just kind of said, oh, well, we don't win. And they talk to my pikin the way they talk to my son. And they listen to me. They hear me just like he don't feel respond. They hear me. I told him, I said, we have won. My son knows that we have dislodged Oshomole that tortured him right from when he was in the womb. So please, my people, while here, I got Doledoyi. Don't patronize any foundation. Don't stop it. Don't. 11 go carry person when in net don't break. Don't send them money. Tell them to break the person's account details. Don't. Delete Collins Imudia's number from your phone. Block him. Unfollow him. Don't follow him again. Don't listen to his video. If anybody share, then please, Danny Yaji, you have to stop what you are doing for all these people doing fake foundation. You have to stop it. Danny Yaji, you need to please stop what you're doing. Stop publishing their videos. You are encouraging them to scam our people. Naija Watch is my friend. I will call him. Please. Anything the way YouTube they give now, it not reach the pains when people they go through. It not reach the money when all these boys they make. Imagine somebody telling me that, say, Collins Imudia say, he don't tire, oh, he don't know that some money did diaspora. The guy was begging me, and I said, come, Collins Imudia, go, the way we take pursue them, so we go pursue him. Say, he go break home, you see a lot. How? You feel use other things to scam people. No go carry sick person, carry poor person, come on camera, shine out for a face, say me they pay money to your account. You want to help the person. Please. If you want to scam, go to abroad. abroad. Go to all these people where go to play where all boys for the do Yahoo. Go do Yahoo. No, you no scam with poor people, no scam with sick people, please. I don't know how people I don't know how people sleep. You carry sick person come, you show up for your live video. You know say this sick person need over 1 million, 2, 3 million. You can't raise the money, you can't give the person 100 or 200,000. You don't go follow up on the person again, and you go dey happy say you dey make money. That is blood money. Please, anyway you see Kolisimu, they are showing somebody the name, please. The way you take carry phone, they call your person, they go vote for Obaseki, that's why you will tell them help them. That's why we need to start reaching out to our people. Let's heal this world. Let's heal this world. There's no family without poor person. There's no family without poor person. I sit down one day, I asked myself, that day I spent about 1.7 million naira on face cap and apron. And I asked myself, how much will this cost me to buy my father a car? My father does not have a car. My father had a trek. The other man say, win first. Then you go back and face your family. I check my pilot check. I know how much I spent that day. And I say, finish this work first. Anytime you see me for Wesley, this spray money, it's not what I enjoy. We do it to show to those Tigers Alliance that we are not running. Now they know. Sometimes I feel only for them. Do I go higher? All those things we they do at that time to let people say, yeah, man, that's sometimes I hear say about the hide for Benin. I say, okay, on Sunday, hey, we'll go Wesley Live Band. May they come kill me for there. I wasn't running from Tony Kabaka and the rest. I was running from police. May they don't go hide me for Abuja. Their plan was to hide me in Abuja, cage me in Abuja. Then they're going to use me to negotiate with governor. If you want us to release Abat in Abuja, go and swear in as our assembly members. That's what they wanted to do. I'm not committed a crime. There are many positions. That's when they say Abba a gun runner, Abba is a cultist. That's what they want, just to arrest me. So all those things, now why would they do it? We say would they enjoy to do it? Then I go the finia. I was just doing it to let people for outside. I don't say my name Marima. And the thing was giving people courage to say, I ain't about it, my level though. And those things they make our people, they come, we're showing Silver, showing Wesley, entertainment, nightlife. The people, they'll come and say, yeah, why are you Wesley? Most of the people going to Wesley, if they come from abroad now, through my platform. So, Edo people, don't patronize it. Look at Osagi. Una pack money, give a pack, it became arrogant. So a lady was complaining that Kolisimu is now very arrogant too. Yes, I say, yeah, of course now. All they give her free money. Somebody they wake up and see a lot. Your man will now. All you need to do is to dress, fine boy, enter street, look for poor person, do live video, carry and come office, collect money from una. If Kolisimu they do video, will touch you. As the video finish, go now, Chijwe, Eba was suffer in Nigeria. Like 20,000 la gwaloma nwere Obama so yari ne. Don't give it to Collins. Not try. Your street where you for grow poor person dey. Your mama family poor person dey. Not give am to that one when they show for camera. The idea behind showing that person that will steal from you, go use and take, go help person when they don't show for camera. Go your family or work carry your me. I might not have everything that I give to my family. Well, when it comes to education, I don't joke with my younger one's education. When it comes to feed, food, anything, my mother doesn't lack. My parents, I hear with you go. Please, don't pitch. I'm going to meet with the Commissioner for Women Affairs. All these orphanage homes, we are going to check them. We are going to check them. We are going to check them. Now, then me go use my influence in this government. All this work when I do things, now I want to use my influence in this government. If the Commissioner for Women Affairs is not fit do the work, she will come up for the seat, me will fit do come down. Things when they not fit try outside the country. Now Nigeria they try. Somebody go just do video, put their account details, but they go pay money in. You know, go come back say I ain't spend money. That is fraud. And we're also going to partner with the EFCC. All the money wey don enter that Collins Imu their UBA account, they are going to print it out. You must have a record of what you're doing with people's money. So I mean, they relax. So now you see, say this whole thing, what drives me is passion. If you good, me good. If you dey feed your brother when they back up, when they my street, you dey send am money, you call and say, do you know where you dey call them? They no go carry gun come bail up me for night. They no rob me. They no go treasure or go they do pickpocket. Everybody should go back to their family. You are using your money to empower Collins Imudia and his family. Why your family, your relative, they died, they go. You are using your money to empower Jenosagi and his family. Not be like give money for give Isaiah 1 million naira. Not be all that money when he spent for the campaign. Should be a charity. He converted his charity to a political platform. No, spoil it with money. The one way they try to rise now, I be call this Imudia. When I hear 2 muna, it might reduce it. You should go and work. So please, I am open to anyone that want to work with us that is genuine. You must be genuine. If you want to work with us, be genuine. Please share this broadcast. People, those in diaspora need to watch this video. When I watch this video finish, all those calls when you call your people for house, but you have vote number second, they listen to you. Please, the next 1 week or next 1 month, if you receive salary in the month, send your family money. Make them cook, make them eat together. Call them, put them together. Send them 50,000. Say, when I walk back, vote together, let them eat. Next time, you don't know what you want to call them, may they help you do. They will still do it for you. Me, I'm looking for money now to go host my ward. And host people will work together. If I don't have money to give to them, we should be able to eat together. Tomorrow, you have them allow that they will do it. Tomorrow, if you get friend who are on election, they go with you. Why when I can't win Obaseki any after 2020? Or say, oh, I do, wow, I'm winning. Go back. Don't listen to all this foundation. Listen to them. Jobo Jabo Yakin. Jobo Jabo Yakin. If somebody do what you like, genuinely, not showcasing poor people, not embarrassing them, harassing them. Where the man get, where the mentally, I don't say man, where the mentally challenged lady, where was I guitar? And now they ask question. When they tie for boot. Where is she today? Omaya Regune. Where is the truck pusher? The man that was pushing truck that was showing that there was like a video along Uweli Road. Where is the truck pusher? He doesn't use to collect money from una. Don't send money to anybody. Go back and feast your family. If me feast my own, this down there, they watch me and feast your own. Raymond feast your own. So I said I got feast your own. You don't see anybody. They beg for road. Please. We need a lot. We are going to be coming out with a plan very, very soon. If those in diaspora are so interested in foundation, maybe we have to set up a committee. I don't want to talk about people start to come here, but that's what you thought, yes. More you set up people. No, go and feast your family first. Remove your mind from foundation. They should be using their foundation to scam the international community. If they choose to scam, don't use to scam your fellow people they struggle for Europe. Many never build that, many don't get land. Or now do video for they sell their money. That's swelling. So when they post some of these bosses they do for they post champagne for club. Doesn't mean enough video there. They are burning money in club. See they do foundation. So my people, I appreciate all of them. I say relax, I want to relax now. I want to relax today. But as they talk, the thing don't pull out from my system. Don't they pull out. Thank you very much. God bless you. Edo people now deliver Obaseki. Now retire Godfatherism. Now don't retrieve this power from Oshomole, Zeyamu. and Tinubu. We also have some politicians that stood by the governor. I'm going to be doing a video very soon to read top 50 politicians, top 50 politicians that stood genuinely across the 18 local that stood genuinely. Not be the ones we can't join, we don't reach time for mobilization for election. The ones that stood by him genuinely. I'm going to be releasing top 50 very, very soon. So Edo Ipo now collaborate with this top 50 to deliver Obaseki. Power now. Why not let anybody lord over now? Why not let anybody come say that we? It was a collective effort, not be me. I only play my role. You play your own. But the people will mobilize votes. When mobilize votes. People will come from Lagos or will come from Abuja or say they can't help us here. People will mobilize votes for Obaseki, for PDP. Now those in the diaspora, and they mobilize votes. They teach APC a bitter lesson they will never forget in a hurry. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'm back to my relaxation mood.
Sure.
The one is close, made of fire. The God is rising like a thunder. Jesus. You took away the pains. You took away the sorrows, Baba. You took away the fears. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you. Bye. Share this broadcast. Take something home. Talk to somebody. Talk to somebody. Harvest Foundation. Wàrẹ́gìrì ó níyàn. Òjọ́bó jẹ́ wòyákì. Àtàgbàràpàyákì.